Hey everyone! For this Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to go over how to embed a YouTube video or a Canvas Studio video into your Canvas course. I made this video because I'm getting a lot of questions about it, and with the new rich content editor update that Canvas pushed out in early 2021, this definitely became a hot item. So let's jump into it. So here I've got a Canvas course. This has the new rich content editor. So again, this is the new look for how you add and edit items in any Canvas content. So whether you're in a page or an assignment, an announcement, whatever it is, you're going to see these options here. So embedding a YouTube video, and one more thing before I continue, if this doesn't look exactly the way that you're used to, it might be because you're working with a smaller browser window. And let me show you what I mean. If I reduce the size of my browser window here, you'll see less options. So there's this little 3-dot more item that you can click on and see the rest of the options that you have. So again, if you need to, you can always click the 3 dots here to see additional options if your screen doesn't look exactly like mine. If you are at Hartnell, it will look like this. If you're at another institution, you may not have these items integrated. And you can always talk to your Canvas admin and send them my way. Send them to my YouTube channel. They'll be able to find a way to contact me if they need any assistance implementing these things and putting them directly into the rich content editor like we have here. So the best way to embed your YouTube videos is to use this little YouTube item. And all you need to do is click on it, and you can actually search YouTube directly in here. So we can search for, let's look for gardening videos right here. And once I click the enter key, you'll see all of these great gardening videos, right? Whatever you want to put in, you can search for them here. The other way you can use this is by pasting the link directly from YouTube. So if you go to youtube.com in another window and you find, let's go with our gardening example. If you find a gardening video, you can go to that video and you'll be able to see a YouTube link. So I'll show you what that looks like here. So here I am, I'm actually in the middle of an ad, but you can see your gardening video link up here. So this is what you'll copy, and that's what you're going to paste into that YouTube panel. And I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard, and now we have the exact video that I want to embed. So this is the best way to embed a YouTube video, just by going up here and entering in either the direct link to your video if you have it already copied, or by searching YouTube directly to find those videos. Either way is going to work. So you can also do something similar with this new Canvas Studio item. And the way that you'll do that is, let's go ahead and add a little return space here under our video. All we need to do is click on Canvas Studio, and we will be able to see all of our own videos. So all of the videos that you've created, you will see them right here, and you can click select, choose your options. If you haven't gone through Canvas Studio training, I highly encourage you to do that, but we're not doing that right now, so I'm assuming you know how to do this. I'm choosing my video, I'm going with my options, and I'm clicking embed, and it's gonna go right in. So here's my YouTube video, and here is my Canvas Studio recording. So I can go ahead and hit save or save and publish. Oops. And now once I click save, it will show me both of those videos, and they're nice big videos that look very clean. I can do things like center these videos on my page if I want them to look really clean. And of course, I would want to type some context around these, tell students if this is a required video or optional, or just add some general context around this so students know exactly what they need to do and how to interact with this content. I hope this video has been helpful in making it a little bit easier to work with the rich content editor in Canvas. Thanks for watching.